reschedule. I'd rather get the interior done first anyway, and then we can reschedule, reschedule for that.
Man, you haven't seen this because factory don't do it, but because people do all kind of things to the little Renegade, they lift this.
Oh, I want to see it. I'm gonna look that up.
Yeah.
Because I bet they do. Yeah, see, my pops, he's always had Grand Cherokees. That's how we know Alan. We've been knowing Alan for 30 years. A little small, but I like it.
So that's like the bottom piece. That's the back. That is the main seat. See the top portion?
That's it right there. I like that.
Like, Doc, you work on Sundays?
Some Sundays I do.
So who's doing your wrap?
Rio's Auto Detail. The wrap guy.
You seen their work before?
I have. But he's designing it right now.
When it's finished, you need to look at the corner, the details on the corner. That's how you know if the guy's good or not.
Okay. Cool. Let me get on back. I know we got our next patient in the chair. And this is, what is this? SRT without the R and the T.